Good morning. We are currently sat at Nez Coffee. We keep coming back to this place because it's really good coffee, really friendly staff, and it's really cheap. Today we are heading to a place called Sticky Waterfall. So it's a happy day, but it's also a sad day because this is the day that Finn and Ollie leave. They are going to Bangkok. And then after Bangkok, they're heading home. Bangkok one night, and then heading back to the UK. So it's sad for them. It's been nice hanging around with them. It's gonna be weird when they're gone. Isn't it, Bub?
Stuck with me again. But Melissa's coming out in a week.
But, exactly, but Kelly's friend Melissa's coming out in a week's time. So you'll be meeting us here, and then we should be going to Pi or something after that. Yeah, we're going to take you with us and show you this sticky waterfall, which apparently is insane. These guys done it a couple of days ago, and the videos look pretty cool. Pictures look pretty cool, so I'm looking forward to getting up there and climbing up a waterfall. It really looks like you shouldn't be able to do it. We got pulled over for the first time. They had like a stop check, and so we pulled over, and then luckily we make sure we have our international driver license on us at all times. But the shock on his face, he was like, "Oh!" They actually went, "Oh!" He was like, "Yeah, is that okay?" And he was like, "Yeah." He says, "Oh, well, keep it on your all times." He goes, "Thank you very much." Like literally 2 minutes, done. There's probably about 7 other bikes that pulled over. Some Thai, most of them foreigners. I know one other guy that had his driving license, had an international driver license, his passport. It was a red passport, a little bit like the British one. So it's nice to kind of get the whole thing out of the way. Now I've been pulled over once. They weren't trying to scare us. They literally just made sure we got an international driving license. Looked at the picture, looked at my license. Was like, "Thank you very much. You know, drive safe." But it does make me laugh, the rules here, because they'll do us for not having a license, but then you have like 15 people in the back of a pickup, all just sat there doing like 100 kilometers an hour down a motorway. That's what I love about this place. That's what I love about Asia. It's just, as long as you've got the basics like your license, you can do what you want. If you want to travel with, if you want to get in the back of a pickup and you want to run that risk, they let you. That's what you want to do. They don't try to control you so much.
You are. The islands are a lot more chilled than the city.
Yeah, in the islands, you know, we saw cops all the time. They just weren't bothered by us. But I get it. Like, I do get why they pull people over, because most people have never ridden a bike until they get here, and then they're riding around Thailand. Like, Thailand doesn't want to start getting the rep of having really bad roads, because they don't have really bad roads. I don't think I've seen one accident the whole time I've ever been in Thailand. Everyone, like, the cars give you space, they back off. Maybe because we're foreigners, but I mean, I've seen them do it to Thai people as well. They give everyone space.
Out here they're used to so many more bikes than at home. You get people on motorbikes and at home, but not to the capacity that they have in
Yeah,
Asia.
I mean, at home it might be like 1 in 10. Here it's like 8 in 10. Everyone has motorbikes.
think we're gonna get a drink, possibly some food.
Oh yeah.
My hair must be wild.
Stopping off for some food. It's like 40 baht for a pad thai curry. It's amazing. That is the cheapest actually ever bought it. I'm surprised considering it's at a national park. I thought it'd be a bit more money. But yeah, we're gonna get some food first. We're here, and then we are gonna go to the waterfall. It's very, very pretty here. Very well looked after. And yeah, eat this, get a drink, and then get to this waterfall and see what this is about. Like I said, a couple of my friends who met up with us, who've been hanging around the last couple of days, they went and showed us a video of it, and it looks really weird. So I'm hoping we can get some good shots of it while we're there. But yeah, it's just typical. We did have 2 GoPro batteries, but the other one's given up, so now it's really difficult to try and keep on top of it. We have to do better so we can actually get more footage. We have to do better. I'll blame Kelly. Here we are.
Beatong waterfall.
Beatong. So we can see the waterfall. There's a tiny little bit of it there. So it comes down the little path here. I think the idea is walk down, climb up if you want to. Let's see. There's a lot of people here. Look at this scenery. It's absolutely gorgeous in the park. It's really well maintained. Hardly any rubbish anywhere. And yeah, it looks like quite a popular attraction for the locals as well.
definitely worth a visit, guys. Sticky waterfall. It doesn't actually feel sticky, but the grip.
Yeah, the
You feel like Spider-Man. You can just walk up.
Like, I feel like I could probably. Yeah, you can't. You can literally sit on an angle thing and it won't slip. There's slippery bits there where it's got dirty, but.
Right, camera's about to die. We're going to enjoy this super cool place. Whoa!
Yeah, the dirty bits are slippery.
The dirty bits are slipping.
So if you look, you can see these bits are slippery, the cleaner bits aren't. Look at that. It's like a fun water park. But...
Yeah, it's awesome.
Right, we've got to turn this off. 1% battery. We'll probably have to say goodbye now, and we'll see you back in Chiang Mai in a hostel because the battery's going to die. But at least we managed to save the battery till we got here in this beautiful place with this beautiful person, me. Battery is on 1%. Look at this viewpoint. Yeah, we made it. The road here, we come from this direction, and yeah, we thought we actually going the right way. We was. There's Kelly on the phone to her mum. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm surprised the battery's still working. So we left the waterfall, trying to save battery so we could come here and look at this. This would be like Scotland or something, or the Lake District. We are now going to leave and head back. It's been a long day. It's been about 5 hours on the road, I think, doing everything we needed to do. The viewpoint up there is closed. That's where we were going to go for the recommendations we've been on it. The barrier's down and it's closed, so you can't do that.
But the view from the bridge and the road after the